Hey y'all, I'm back at Walmart. This time I'm going to review and try on clothes from the brand Free Assembly. I'm doing dresses only, so follow me. Make sure you tap the screen if you see any of the products that you like. The tap shop button will be right there at your convenience, y'all. Everything's under 20 bucks. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this black sweater dress by Free Assembly. I'm trying everything on in like a 2X. So some things are larger than others. This dress is really stretchy, guys. It's really stretchy. I know it says $26 on the tag, but that's not how high this dress is. I will definitely tag the price that comes up on YouTube shop. However, make sure that if you go into the store and you find it, snatch it up, because in the store this dress was cheaper, if I can remember. But anyway, this is super dope. It's a long mock neck black dress. Y'all can do a lot with this. You can style it up all different types of ways. You could even put a vest over it. You could put like layer it up, especially in areas that it's cold. Now it's a sweater dress, so it feels really good. It does have a split on the side, so you can wear it with some tall boots, or you can wear it with some heels. This dress is super dope though. It fits really, really good, and then it stretches at the same time, which I love that. Now, Free Assembly is a clothing brand that emphasizes like sustainability. So I would say that these items are like from recycled type materials. Their collection includes like jeans, dresses, tees, button down sweaters, and outerwear, and they're all crafted with like soft, sustainable materials, okay? And they swear they're gonna be on some eco-friendly type stuff. So that's super dope. I like this company, and not to mention, they are clearance item down. I mean, $9 dresses, $10 dresses. I like them type of prices. How about you? But no, this one is so comfortable. Like I said, you can style this up in so many different ways. Of course, I'm feeling gold. You know, I'm feeling gold accessories, gold bangles, gold chain, long gold chain to go over there. Y'all see how much that stretches? That is crazy. And it bounced right back. So really, you could size down. You know what I'm saying? Say you can't even get into some of the Walmart clothes because maybe you wear a size 30. You could fit a 3X because that junk stretch a lot. Okay, so don't be afraid to go shop a Free Assembly because a lot of their clothes was actually like that, you know. But this one, I mean, I love how it makes me look slender, and I have on a halter or a strapless bra, so of course I'm not lifted up as much as I want to. So imagine what a real bra would do. All right, this green dress, y'all, I'm mad at myself because I should have took this dress home from the store so I could let y'all get it online. Okay, I might go back and get it, but this dress was it was less than $10. It was like $9.96. I think I do show you here on the tag that it's super, super cheap. Yes. Okay, it's $10, so not $9.96. But y'all, the scalloped finish on the sleeves and on the neckline, I was like, why would I not buy this dress? I don't know what happened and why I didn't end up getting it, but I should go back and get it. Y'all, I love this dress. You know what I was thinking? I was wondering, where would I wear this dress? I don't go to church, but I plan on going to events. I would like to go to events often. So I need at least once a month. So I need 12 dresses just to look, you know, business oriented, you know, to put myself in an atmosphere or have the ambiance of me being about business. I thought this dress was perfect for that, with some nice heels and some black stockings or something like that. This will be dope. It's lightweight enough for you to wear any season, because keep in mind, even in the summertime, it's gonna be cold in whatever building you go into because they turn that air on polar bear. Okay, so this dress is fine for any season in my opinion, right? I'm not saying wear it with some tall boots in the summertime, but you could definitely wear it with some heels or some sandals. You know what goes with this? I feel like brown accessories, some brown maybe wooden bangles, some brown high heel shoes, maybe the regular nude pumps or something like that would be super dope. You could even throw a thick brown belt around this, and I think it would be cute. Y'all, I would love to go back and grab this dress and style it up for you and show you what I come up with and let you know the event that I'm going to, because I really like this. I think this is super dope, and it's super cheap. Like, I can tell that this dress is gonna last long. So I feel like, yeah, the fabric of it, and then not to mention it being sustainable, why would you not, right? But I'm gonna tag it for you also, because like I said, it is $10 in the store. It's $10 on Walmart.com, and I'm gonna give you whichever link is the cheapest, okay? So if I tag it in the shop and it's higher, I will direct you to the actual description box so I can grab it from the website and give it to you for $10, okay? But yes, this is a must-have, y'all. The scallop finishes is chef's kiss. Okay, this one is a slip dress. It is just a long black slip dress. I think it's a nice dress as well. It's also very, very cheap. This dress I showed in the store at $9. This was the $9 dress. Dope, right? Yes, I 100% agree with you. $9 in the store. I'm gonna tag the product online. Whatever the price is the price. If you can find it in the store, then great. The only thing about this slip dress is, you see how it fits in the front. I don't like that pull. The dress is loose everywhere else. Make it big enough in the breast area. But for $9, I mean, you really can't complain. But I could see myself wearing this with like a jean dress or something like that, and possibly wearing it to work. It's not a take off the jean dress and go to the club later on, because this dress it's just not made well. Look at the back doing the same thing that it's doing in the front. So I can see why it's $9. It's definitely not constructed well, and at the same time the fabric is not that great. However, you could cover this dress up with a jacket or something like that, and maybe even a belt to make those puckers make sense, right? Or I mean, I don't know, if you're handy with the needle and thread, maybe you can cut that front down a little bit more and kind of, what is it? You know how you put a tack in the breast area to make it form better? It just looks like it's ill fitting on me, and then it actually fits, which is crazy. So I'm sorry, y'all. I hate being negative about items, but this was just a complete bust. Like, why? But I mean, it's $9. It's something that I chose to try on anyway. When I look at it right now, it's just not as flattering as I thought it would be. However, you can make something happen with this dress still at the end of the day. Like I said, you can cover it up with a jacket or something, okay? So it's not a total loss. This dress was cool. I like this dress. The only thing about this dress for me is buttons in the front. Where the breast is, sometimes they just always, gape a little bit. And if you put some double-sided tape on the part that is giving you a problem, then it'll help. Now, of course, this dress is not $32. I'm sorry about the face that I'm making, y'all. Somebody slammed one of the doors, and it dropped a whole bunch of, I don't know, it was like a bunch of lint or dust that came from the ceiling. Because if you go into a fitting room in Walmart, it's a bunch of holes, so it's dropping a bunch of dust. I didn't even want to inhale. It was so much, and you can't really even see it, but it was just a lot. Thank goodness the dress that I was trying on was not black at the time, because it would have been all over the place and looking a mess. But this dress is cute. I mean, it's definitely giving the schoolgirl vibes. If it was a colder day, remember I'm in Florida, cold ain't too cold down here, but I would want to put like a white cardigan sweater with this. I don't know why. And button it up at the bottom and just have that dress peeking out. I think this dress is super dope. Now, of course, I would wear a more supportive bra. I always wear my strapless bras on these just in case I find something that's off the shoulder. But this dress is really, really cute, y'all. I mean, I could see me wearing even a black cardigan type jacket with it, and some black stockings and some heels that are green or something like that. That might be kind of a cute way to style this. Or even a vest, like a sweater vest, cream color or black or navy blue even. And maybe some like clog Buster Brown type of loafers with some black or navy blue stockings. I think that would be so cute with this. Like, listen, if I was to buy this dress, I would style this up. Like, you would be surprised what you could do with this dress. And again, I'm gonna tag the dress in the shop, in the shop for YouTube. So make sure you check out the products, because I'm telling y'all, I don't be getting stuff that's real expensive. I be trying to stay under a really small budget. Like, for clothes, you're only supposed to spend 3% of your income on clothes, and you can absolutely do that at Walmart, okay? Like, and the clothes be sturdy. It's not like it's fast fashion where things are going to, you know, shrink and fade. I'm not saying they won't shrink and fade, but not as fast as like fast fashion will. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, that is it for this haul. I really enjoyed doing it for me. Like the video and comment below which one was your favorite. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I got plenty more where this came from, okay? Bye-bye.